Thought of the day. Hello everyone. Here are the best thoughts of the day for kids. So let's get started. Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today's thought of the day is slow and steady wins the race. Thought of the day is mistakes are proof that you are trying. Thought of the day is well begin is the half done. Thought of the day is work is worship. Thought of the day is union is strength. Thought of the day is hard work is the key to success. Thought of the day is believe you can and you will. Thought of the day is a winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Thought of the day is don't believe in luck, believe in hard work. Thought of the day is self respect comes with self reliance. Thought of the day is dream is not what you see in sleep. It is the things which doesn't let you sleep. Thank you for watching.